Okay, what's up guys? Today is November 24th, 2017. We just got done. Yesterday was Thanksgiving. Today was not a full day of trading. It closed at 1 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, which is 11 o'clock my time where I am. And man, I might as well label this recap scary ass trading because I was just sketched out today. I closed out of a couple of positions prematurely. I went 5 for 5. I was in the green on everything, a couple of them barely. Scratches, I just wanted to get out and be done. But enough about that. Let's just go ahead and get into the plays. Okay, so I started the day off on QD. Started the day off breaking my rule, which currently one of my rules is do not trade the open. And because for what I'm right now, I'm currently collecting data on plays where I did play the open, and I'm gonna sift through that stuff and see if I can find something usable. But in the meantime, I'm not supposed to trade the open, but I did on this one. So started out the morning, QD. I saw it fail really hard. It's been dropping off for some time now. So when it started off like that and just dropped, I really wanted to get in. So I broke my rule and I got in right here. And it seemed like it was struggling right here. This is 13.25. I don't know if there's anything special about that. That's another thing. I didn't really do my due diligence. I think this is an all-time low, at least in the recent time frame that we're in. I don't know about all time, but since we started stalling out right here, I just got out right here. And so I got a little tiny quick scalp on that to start the day off. But bad. That's not a good thing. To just start off the day breaking my rules like that. Next trade I did, NTNX. Okay, I had a long thesis on this that was running up. And we started off, I'm looking at my other chart to see where I got in. Okay, when we broke right here, I limited in, got a limit order right there. And again, like I said in the beginning, I think this is like the second trade. This is when I started getting kind of nervous. It seemed like things weren't acting normally, at least in my mind. So this was sort of the beginning. My price target on this was right in this area. Let me zoom this in. Sorry, the last one I did, you could barely see what I was talking about. My price target right here was up here, and I got in this area right here, and we started struggling, and the RSI looked like it was turning down, and I got sketched out and got out right here. So I didn't make it all the way to my price target, so I don't know what to say. I just took a small profit and got out of there. Next play was BZUN. Bizon, or however you pronounce it. Let's see, faded off, and then we were popping back up. Okay, I had a long thesis on this one. Who knows if I was, let's see. If I were still in this, I would not have been stuck out yet. The markets are still open, by the way, for another like 45 minutes as I'm making this, so I don't know what this thing's going to do or if it actually hits my my original price target. But I got in here at, give me a sec to look at the chart. Like I said, I had a long thesis, and I got in right here over the VWAP. And that scared me right there, that candle. The wick when it wicked up right there. Then we curled over, bounced off VWAP, and then it looked like we were turning back over, which you can see we actually did turn over, but I could tell we were turning back over, and so I got out right there. I think it was almost a scratch. I was in the green, but barely. So again, super scary. Oh, I should probably mention this since I brought it up when we first started. My stop is right here. So I went long right here. My stop was right here. My price target was right in this area. So I don't know. This thing could still hit my price target. I'm not sure. That's the point I was saying earlier that you'll see a couple of trades. I've already looked in advance, and I've seen a couple of the trades we're about to go over. I'm almost done already. I didn't take that many trades, but I hit my price target, so I could have made some money today. I just made a little bit, but just trading is so scary because of the short day. I said, forget it. Let's do it tomorrow. So that's P-Zone. Let's see what I have. The next play was SFIX. So 2 more trades left. SFIX. Long, definitely long bias here. Let me open on my other chart. Okay. Where I got in was right. Wait. I thought I was looking at the wrong. Okay, I see where I got in. Right here. Sorry, let me blow this up again. I have to get. I'm a newbie at still kind of a newbie at trading, but I'm definitely a newbie at recap. So let me make sure you guys can see what I am talking about. My stop. Okay, my price target was. It got hit. I did not hang around to see my price target get hit because I am a scaredy cat today. But my price target was right here. Where did I get out? As soon as I got in right here, it drew down. And so I'm automatically in the red for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and for a while. And I had this fib level right here. I started wondering if this was sort of like just the power from the morning move, and that maybe we could get back up over it. But we did get back up over it, so I was good right here. And was it right here? Yeah. I got out right here. Oh, okay. So at this point, I had 2 trades left open. I had this and the one I'm about to show you, the last one. The other one was about break even, and this one had been going against me. And at this point right here, I did look at my P&L. I looked at my overall P&L for the day. I wasn't quite at my goal of where I normally try to get every day, but I was getting pretty close to being there. And at this point, I just wanted to be done. I was looking in the chat room, and a lot of the guys that I trade with were talking about how they were done for the day. I think that psychologically affected me too. I'm like, okay, everyone else is done. I'm sketched out. I need to be done too. So I just wanted out anyway, and that just gave me another excuse. So I got out of here with the intention of also getting out of this trade right here, the last one. And I was in PPDF. Pull up the chart, just cover the entry and exit real quick, and then we'll wrap this up. Wow, that hit my price target and much more. So I am really crying on the recap about that one. I got into this, right? Consolidated. This is kind of hard to do. I'm sorry, I'm looking at the other chart trying to get exactly what candle I got in on, which was, okay, it was right here. I got in right there. My price target was price target was like right here. So you can see my price target, if you look to your right, was easily hit. It could go higher, I don't know. So I'm a little upset about that, but I ended up, like I said, I was in the other trade, the one we just covered, and this trade was open as well. So the other trade was more in profit. I looked at the overall totals, closed that other trade out, and then simultaneously right afterwards, came right over here and automatically closed this one out right after it, right in here. So it was basically a scratch on that one. And I closed it out and was done, and I'm done for the day. There's 30, 40 minutes left in the market, but I'm just going to come back at this on Monday. I did decent today, had a green day, but I don't think I traded that great because I was trading scared, and I started off breaking the rule by playing the open, even though I know I'm talking about it like it's bad. I won on the trade, but that's not cool with me to be breaking rules like that, and also to keep getting out before a price target like this. I'm using the excuse that it was a short day, but I don't really think that holds water. I'm just going to chalk it up, forget about it, and we will try to do better on Monday. Okay, see you guys next time.